the more you hit the car into the walls or obstacles, this axle starts wearing out, and you can see that it now pops out of the hub. And what happens is that there are small pins on it which are plastic. They get so worn out that they start popping out when you hit a car into an obstacle. In normal driving condition it's still drivable, no problem with that, but it's easy to fix. You just disassemble this spring, remove the screw from here, also remove one of the arms that connects the hub to the body of the car, and then pop this thing back in. Move this wheel away from the body and have access to this part. And this is the trickiest part here. You need to pop this in. You need to have a small screw. With one pin you put this into one hole, and then with the other one you support this with the screw and pop this in. And this is how it pops in. So now it's inside. And then put the other end of the axle to the differential, and that's it. And then put everything back.